Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we'll show you how to host a Discord movie night. Before start this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. First of all, open your Discord and go to your server and create a voice channel. Select voice and choose a name. Then click on create channel. And then open a Google Chrome. Then again go to your server and click on voice channel. Then click on share your screen. Then select your application. And here you can change your stream quality and resolution and frame rate. Then click on go live. And that's how you can simply host a movie in Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks, and we'll see you in the next video.